Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Arisha Fatihah binti Syahidan. Today, I would like to present about the answer of final assessment. The first scenario is Asia loves to eat processed breakfast cereals and white bread during breakfast and fried chicken for lunch. Her favorite snack are cake and cookies that contain a lot of margarines. Asia's body weight is 85 kg and her height is 153 cm. She has been diagnosed as diabetic patient at the age of 45 years old. The question number 1 is, based on Asia's scenario, what is your opinion about the Asia dietary intake? Please discuss about her food intake during breakfast in terms of refining process and glycemic index. For refining process is refining decreased micronutrients and fiber. Asia needs to choose more food with unrefined food. Processed breakfast cereals needs to replace with unrefined cereals to get healthy. For example, oatmeal. White bread is not good for healthy, but Asia needs to replace bread with a high contains proportions of whole grains. For example, oats and barley. Next is glycemic index. For the range 0 until 35 is low glycemic index, 56 until 70 is immediate glycemic index, and 71 until 100 is high glycemic index. Processed breakfast cereals has a high glycemic index value is 80, and white bread has a high glycemic index value is 69. Asia, as a diabetic patient, needs to encourage to choose from the low glycemic index level. For the question number 2 is, in terms of Asia's favorite food during lunch and snacking, please explain about 3 main categories of fatty acids based on the degree of saturation and based on the configuration of unsaturated fatty acids. Identify the types of fatty acid in Asia's favorite food. Compare 2 types of unsaturated fatty acid and based on the configuration. Your comparison may include the following items: health effect, occur naturally, arrangement of atoms, and melting point. For 3 main categories of fatty acids based on degree of saturation is saturated fatty acid, monounsaturated fatty acid, and polyunsaturated fatty acid. The number and types of bonds of fatty acid determine the health problem. Unsaturated contains a double bonds. Poly means many unsaturated chemical bonds. Mono means one unsaturated chemical bonds. Unsaturated fats phase in liquid vegetable oils. Next, saturated fatty acid is fully occupied by hydrogen atom, which is single bonds fatty acid. Animal sources is solid at a temperature room. Saturated with hydrogens contains only single bonds and associated with increased risk of heart disease. Monounsaturated fatty acids is one double bonds between carbons, liquid at temperature room and solid at refrigerator temperature. Sources of monounsaturated is olive oil. Monounsaturated fatty acid can reduce heart disease risk. And the last is polyunsaturated fatty acid. 2 or more double bonds between carbon, liquid at a room temperature and refrigerator temperature. And sources of polyunsaturated fatty acid is soybeans. Next, based on configurations of unsaturated fatty acid can be classified as cheese configurations and trans configuration. Unsaturated fatty acids based on the plant sources and liquid at the room temperature. Okay, firstly, cheese configuration. Both hydrogen atoms on the same side of the double bonds. For trans configuration, hydrogens are on the opposite side of the double bonds. For identify the types of fatty acid in Asia's favorite food is trans fatty acid, because the food is fried chicken, cake, and cookies. Next, based on comparisons of two types of unsaturated fatty acid based on the configuration, it can divide by two, cheese fat and trans fat. For health effects, for cheese fat is generally good for health unless consumed in a reasonably high quantities. For trans fat, detrimental, lowers good cholesterol and increase the level of bad cholesterol in the body, harmful to the heart health, causes cardiac health. For occur naturally, for cheese fat is yes, and for trans fat is while some naturals, trans fat occur in meat and dairy product. The majority of trans fat come with a processed food. For arrangement atoms, the chains of carbon atoms are the same side of the double bonds, resulting in a kians. For trans fat, hydrogen atoms are on the opposite side of the double bonds of carbons change, making the fat molecule straight. And the last, for melting point, for cheese fat, usually low, some cheese fat are liquid on the temperature room, and for the trans fat, usually high. Trans fat is a saturated fat or a solid at the temperature room. Next, for alternative ingredients in cake or cookies to replace the margarines is corn oil. Two relevant reasons to justify your answer is corn oil is a produce from corn seeds and that are good for health, and corn oils contains high level of vitamin E, unsaturated fats, and a good sources of omega-6 fatty acids for health. Alternative cooking methods for fried chickens is air fryer and oil spray bottle. Oil spray bottle you can control during making fried chicken. Next, for the question number 3 is, based on the Asia health status, identify the types of diabetes she has. By what reasoning did you come to that conclusion? Explain two relevant reasons to justify your answer. Based on your knowledge on his chronic disease, explain 5 main differences of her diabetes with the other type of diabetes. Suggest 2 ways to modify Asia's eating habits in controlling her blood glucose level. For identify the types of diabetes she has is Asia diagnosed diabetes mellitus type 2. By what reasoning did you come that conclusions? It is because Asia diagnosed diabetes at the age of 45 years old, and diabetes mellitus type 2 always occur in elderly. Two relevant reasons to justify your answer is Asia are the elderly and overweight. Asia also take a lot of food with high fat and oily. Next, 5 differences of her diabetes with other diabetes. Diabetes mellitus can divide by two, which is diabetes mellitus type 1 and diabetes mellitus type 2. Asia diagnosed diabetes mellitus type 2. Okay, 5 differences is for diabetes mellitus type 1, young onset, which is children and teenagers. For diabetes mellitus type 2, older onset. For diabetes mellitus type 1, repeat onset of symptoms. For diabetes mellitus type 2, no obvious symptoms in early stage. For diabetes mellitus type 1, is non-obese. For diabetes mellitus type 2, obese. For diabetes mellitus type 1, body cannot produce insulin. For diabetes mellitus type 2, insulin secretions can be normal or abnormal. For diabetes mellitus type 1, managed by insulin injections with diet and exercise control. For diabetes mellitus type 2, managed by oral medications, insulin injections with diet and exercise control. Next, 2 ways to modify Asia eating habits in controlling her blood glucose level is Asia needs to take a balanced diet and do exercise, and Asia needs to replace a drink with high sugar with a plain water. Asia needs to drink a lot of plain water. The second scenario is Ahmeng is an athlete. Yesterday, his right leg was broken down and he has to stop his training session for several months. In order to enhance his recovery process, he has been advised to practice healthy eating habits. Luckily, he likes to eat lean beef, egg, and quinoa. For question number 1, identify the types of main macronutrients in Ahmeng's favorite food. Explain the 5 functions of the main macronutrients in Ahmeng's favorite food for human body. Okay, for the types of main macronutrients in Ahmeng's favorite food is protein, because the favorite food is lean beef, egg, and quinoa. 5 functions of main macronutrients in Ahmeng's favorite food for human body. Okay, this is protein. The functions of protein is as a growth and care. Body needs protein for tissue growth and care. Protein help to recover from injury. For example, Ahmeng get injury, and Ahmeng also an athlete. Next, for balancing fluid in the body. Protein control the body in the proteins of balancing fluid in the body. Third, protein is a major source of energy. People needs to take a protein to get the energy. Fourth, protein produce enzymes that increase the rate of chemical reactions in the body. And the last is protein antibody, a substance that helps to protect from the virus. For the last questions is, discuss the possible reasons for the requirement of his favorite food are increases by illness and injury, and needs also higher among athletes or active people as compared to normal people. First, Ahmeng as an athlete use a protein primarily to repair and rebuild broken muscles during exercise and help optimize carbohydrates storage in the form of glycogen. Second, athlete also needs adequate protein for growth, but not excess, as it can increase the risk of dehydration. Thank you.